Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to set the military time or 24-hour time as others call it here on your iPhone device. Now you will notice here that there is an additional digit in front of the 9 to tell me that I have currently the military or 24-hour time, and there even on my lock screen also it is shown. So I'm going to show you how to set that today. The first thing that we're going to want to do to set that is go into settings. Once you go into settings on your iPhone device, go ahead and scroll down until you see general. Go ahead and tap on general and then go ahead and scroll down until you see date and time. Go ahead and tap on date and time, and then you're going to see the 24-hour time here. Make sure that that is toggled, because once you toggle it, you should see the additional digit there showing up the time on your iPhone device. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys, and if it was, feel free to throw me a thumbs up and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Take care.